In this video, I'm going to show you how to shade every other row in an Excel worksheet. This is really useful when you're printing things out. It makes it more visible, easier to read. But it's also something that I find I use rarely enough that each time I have to remind myself what exactly the steps are. So first, I'm going to go ahead and highlight where I want it to be shading every other row. So if I just wanted to do a certain range, I could do that, but I wanted to apply to the entire spreadsheet, so I'm just going to click up here. That highlights everything. Once I've decided where I want this conditional formatting to go, I'm going to click here, Conditional Formatting, and it gives me some presets that I could use, but I want to go down to New Rule. And likewise, it has some pre-made rules for me, but I want to just go ahead and create my own. So I'm going to go down here to Use a Formula to determine which cells to format, the one on the bottom. I'll click that. And then I need to go ahead and type my formula. And so what I want it to do is figure out if the row is even or odd. So I'm going to use the mod command. Equals MOD, open your parentheses, type row, open and close your parentheses without anything inside of it, comma, 2, close your parentheses, equals 1. And so that's what that's going to do is tell me whether or not they're an even or odd number of rows on each row. And then I'm going to say on format, I'm going to go ahead and pick what I want it to do. So I want to go ahead, I don't want a pattern or anything like that. I just want to go ahead and give it a color. I'm going to pick this nice blue right here. Say OK. And then I'm going to go ahead and say OK to apply that change. Boom. And there you can see I've got every other row highlighted. And so this will make it a little easier when I'm working with, for instance, a student roster and I'm trying to track their progress over the course of a semester.